Okay, I've got a little challenge here that I think some of you will enjoy. Some of you, it may drive you crazy, but you should give it an attempt. And it is taking these 5 uh, pieces for your box and making an assembly out of them in Onshape. So what you do is you go down to the plus here and you say create assembly. You already have one assembly, but you're going to make another one. I already have this one open here. So it'll be blank. So you'll come up here to insert, and you should have 2 part studios now. You're not going to make an assembly of your puzzle cube. You're going to make an assembly of these pieces. So click on this little arrow, and we're going to do one piece at a time. So let's start with part 1 here, and I'll place that. Oh, I'm not in my ISO view. Let's see. Top, front, right. There it is. So I place that, and remember, whenever you place the first piece, usually, or at least, or only one piece, you fix it. So I right-click and I fix. That means it doesn't move anymore. So now let's grab part 2, and now I'm going to try to figure out how to assemble that to this one. I'm just going to grab that one. I'll say, okay, I got enough pieces for now. And here's where it gets tricky. Grab your fastened mate, and I'm going to put this one, kind of rotate it and put it like right here. So these kind of teeth go in these teeth over here. So how do I do that? Well, I'm going to say grab this spot here, and now I have to visualize, okay, what's going to touch that? And I think it's this corner right here. So then I zoom out, and first it looks like, no, that's not it, but don't give up hope yet. So let's just do a little rotate. Was that it? No, that's not it. Rotate again. That's not it. Now I'm back. Yeah, none of those rotates work. So let's flip it. And now let's rotate. See if it makes it in there. Hey, look at that. Okay. So at first it didn't look like that was right, but if you give it enough flips and rotations, that's it. Sweet. All right, so that's what you do. Then you try to grab a second piece. This just means it wants to do another fasten. I don't want to. So we'll insert from part studio 2, part 3. This one's going to be a little easier because it's already kind of oriented, in the right direction. You don't have to flip it. So you're going to kind of perform the same thing here. You're going to say, oh, see if I can do it. Let's see, I want maybe that corner there to align with that guy. And hey, look at that. No flipping or rotating needed. All right, good luck with that. It's kind of fun.